The power of pay later, how small businesses scale big on Alibaba.com. 1. The new kind of business credit. Most small businesses don't fail because of bad products, they fail because of bad timing. Cash flow gaps, supplier delays, or waiting for invoices to clear can stall growth before it even starts. That's where Pay Later for Business steps in. It's Alibaba.com's built-in financing tool that gives companies up to $1 million in credit and 60 to 90 days to pay. So what does that actually mean? It means you can stock up, sell, and pay later, without maxing out your savings or juggling short-term loans. Footnote: Pay Later converts traditional trade finance into on-demand purchasing power based on real platform activity, not just credit scores. 2. Why it's a game changer. Unlike a bank loan that moves slower than a spreadsheet on dial-up, Pay Later runs on your Alibaba.com transaction history. It looks at how you actually do business, not how perfect your FICO score is. You can access up to $1 million in working capital instantly. Place multiple orders across suppliers. Pay 60 or 90 days after checkout. That means you can test new SKUs, expand categories, or double inventory for seasonal demand, without draining your operating cash. So yeah, it's kind of like giving your business caffeine. Footnote: Real-time credit evaluation based on trade activity allows dynamic scaling of purchasing limits with minimal paperwork. 3. How it works in 4 simple steps. Apply. Visit the link, click Apply Now, and enter basic business details. You'll get a credit decision fast. Shop. Once approved, browse eligible listings and start placing orders with your credit line. Select Pay Later at checkout. It appears right next to standard payment options. Choose your terms. Pick 60 or 90 days. Your countdown begins after order placement. Example: a small retailer used Pay Later to restock before the holidays. Their cash was tied up in ad spend, but with deferred payment, they shipped products immediately, sold out, and paid the balance after profits came in. So what does that actually mean? It means you don't have to wait for cash to grow, you can grow and let the cash catch up. Footnote: Deferred payment cycles let small sellers synchronize inventory turnover with incoming revenue streams. 4. Combining speed with flexibility. If delivery speed is your bottleneck, pair Pay Later with local stock options on Alibaba.com. These are products already warehoused in the US, so you can get inventory fast, sell fast, and still pay later. The combination gives you something rare in e-commerce: liquidity without delay. Footnote: Local warehousing plus deferred payments compresses logistics and financing timelines into a single operational flow. 5. Why it matters. In business, flexibility is power. The ability to say yes to an opportunity today, even before cash arrives tomorrow, is the difference between staying small and scaling up. Alibaba's Pay Later tool gives that leverage without the friction of traditional finance. It keeps your cash flow fluid, your operations funded, and your momentum intact. So what does that actually mean? It means you're no longer waiting for permission to grow. Footnote: Empowering liquidity through trade-based credit transforms how small enterprises compete in global sourcing networks.